Hello and welcome to the new Sunderland store. We're going to have a little walk around here and I'm going to show you some of the stuff you can get, and the store opens on Friday. So you've got your new Hummel jackets there. There. Got the new goalkeeper kit there. There's going to be 3 goalkeeper kits, so that's the first one. Moving over to see your home shirts. They're the short sleeve ones. 1973 jackets there. Long sleeve shirts, which are only a £5 and more. Moving into the kids section. And the women's section here as well. And then all the Sunderland related goodies. Seeing that the far corner there where you can get your shirt printed, which you can have in the store as well.